All right. Oh, I like the song already. Feels like an old, yeah, the way that it looks too. It feels like an old anime intro. It's like a little video game. Are they gonna replay the scene that just happened with the bar? Oh, I like this. How they have this little fighting game animation and stuff. No, Makima. Wait a second. Wait a second. They got Makima and Power looking good. They got Kobene also. The first image is from the manga. Oh, this is a fan service. Okay. Oh my god. They made you feel good just like the fucking episode and shitted on you. Oh, this is wild. I like this. Yeah, this feels like a 90's sort of anime. Kind of like how like Ava was and shit. That was cool. That was cool. It's funny how it was like a setup. It was like, oh yeah, here's Makima, which is I believe it's an image from the manga. But anyways, it's there's Makima, here's Power, here's Himeno, here's Kobine. They're all looking good and stuff, and then it just shows a straight up line of puke going into Denji's mouth. I like the aesthetic of it. I like how they really showed it like a video game in the beginning portions of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.